Prep Test 62, game number 2, question 11 asks us, if more orange is used than green, then one of the windows could contain which of the following combinations? So we bring our rules and inferences up, and we want to think about this one for a second. If more O appears than G, then that means that at least 2 O. I should say O's so that it doesn't look like 20. Now we also know that we have to use all the colors and that Y can never be with O. So if we're going to use Y, it means that we cannot have O in all 3 bins. So we can thus determine that there are exactly 2 O's. We also know that we have to use green, so there must be exactly 1 green. And furthermore, 1 O, this is so confusing with O, it looks like a 0 in all of these cases, but 1 O and 1 G must overlap, because if they don't, there's no place for Y to go. Right? So this is a really important inference to make in this game. And if we draw out our master at this point in time, what that tells us is that we have P and G over here. We have Y in one of these windows. We have O in another one. And we must have O here in the only window that contains green. Okay. Now, we don't know a heck of a lot more than that, but let's see if the answers tell us anything. Could one of the windows contain O and P only? Well, I suppose we could put a P here, an R here, and an R here, and that's looking pretty good at this point in time. So let's keep it in the running. Could one of the windows contain, and I'm going to erase what I just did there. Could one of the windows contain G, P, and R? Only G, P, and R. Clearly there's no place for just G, P, and R to go in our drawing here, so that's out. What about only G and P? Nope, because we need an O in there. What about only G and O? Nope, because if we put a G anywhere else, we're going to break our inference right here, so that's not possible. And what about G, O, and R? Again, we can't put a second G anywhere, and to have G, O, and R over here, oops, excuse me, sorry about that. To have G, O, and R over here would exclude P, which we can't do. So answer choice A is in fact our correct answer. And to recount it, remember that in order to have that answer choice, we actually had to put 4 colors of glass over here in window 1. But that's perfectly fine. The rules never tell us we're not allowed to do that.